Are you ready to enter the era of smart manufacturing? The Joy Factory is here to help you make it happen with our years of expertise in deploying technology. We offer 3 major advantages that will revolutionize your business. First, we can help you accelerate decision-making. Second, we can alleviate frontline burden. And finally, we can boost efficiency. Our CWM344MP is the connected workforce solution for manufacturing workers operating in harsh environments. Our military-grade drop protection cases ensure that your devices are safe from high damage rates. Plus, our IP54 dust and waterproof certifications address the pain point of difficult cleaning, so you can keep your devices clean and hygienic. And with DFS certification, you can trust that your devices are safe and compliant. But that's not all. We also offer an optional shoulder strap and patented Mag Connect to make carrying your devices more convenient than ever before. Say goodbye to the pain of inconvenient carrying. If you need a tablet inside a food factory, the Joy Factory's aXtion Go CWM344MP is the perfect solution for you. Our expertise in helping customers in the food industry implement smart manufacturing solutions is unparalleled. In just 3 months, we've saved our customers 280 working hours and improved equipment efficiency with an OEE of up to 37%. We've also increased the retention rate of new employees by 72% and reduced their information burden. With our advanced technology and unparalleled expertise, the Joy Factory will take your business to the next level. Contact our sales team today to learn more about how our products can benefit your business.